is Arjun and I'm back with another amazing recipe. Today I'll be making my favorite Nutella muffins. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by making Nutella balls on parchment paper. I am using a piping bag because it makes it so much easier and efficient. Now I'll place this sheet in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours. I'll start by taking a bowl and I'll add in oil. Next I'll add in sugar and give it a whisk. Next I'll add in curd. Give it a whisk. Now we'll sift in our dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder and baking soda, a pinch of salt and cocoa powder. And I'll mix it with our spatula. Now I'll add in some milk. Yay, our batter is ready. Let's transfer it to our muffin tray. We're gonna start by taking a bit of batter. We're gonna put some batter. Then we'll take a frozen Nutella ball and we'll coat it with flour so that it doesn't sink to the bottom. And we'll place it on our muffin. And then we'll add some more batter. Since I'm making mini muffins, I'll pop it in the oven for only 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. If you're using a bigger size of muffins, you can bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! Let's give it a try! Look, you can see the Nutella pocket inside. This is so soft and gooey. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!